Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build, we're going to be making this micro plane. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause and take a time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x4 standard base plate in this kind of sky blue, and on top of that, right in the middle, to start off our day, we're going to be using a 2x2 standard base plate in the middle like this, in blue. And at the front, we're going to be using a special slope piece, like this one. You don't need to call it anything, it's just a slope piece, right? And a 1x8 standard base plate in this blue. This is going to hold up our wings. We're going to attach a see-through kind of dull color slope piece. This is going to be our cockpit at the front, a large cockpit, and we're going to be using these wedge pieces, these triangular wedge pieces, 2x3 versions, and these are going to be our wings on our plane. And just for a little bit of decoration, we're going to be attaching these translucent round studs. And these are going to be our positioning lights, if you want to know. On your right, you'll need to have your green. On your left, you'll need to have your red. And this looks different in the actual video, but I know. We're going to put that aside now because we're going to make the rear section of our microplane. So another 2x4 base plate in sky blue, and right in the middle of it, another 2x2 standard base plate like this one. At the back, a side attachment plate like this one in light grey. And at the front, to hold it together, we're going to be using these nice little slope pieces in blue. I've got 2 of them. I'm going to stick them like so. We're going to be adding a little bit of decoration, so we'll need these translucent blue studs, just like so. At the back, these are going to be our jets, and we're going to be using this piece. It's also a triangular wedge piece, just double-sided and kind of unique. You just need to stick that on here, and it will be like tail fins of our plane. So now all we need to do is we need to bring back our blue plane, which matches my top, stick the back on it like so, place it nice for the camera, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our micro jet is complete, and you can make lots of other designs like this. Use your slope pieces to the max. They really add to the styling, wedge pieces and stuff like that. It's really flexible, and the good thing about these microplanes is that you can play with them and they don't take too much space. I mean, they don't one of those big Lego planes that you have to stuff into your hand because it's so big. Now this is a nice smaller version, and you could also try and making a smaller version of a plane that you already have, or maybe try building a microplane based on a real plane out there, like a Boeing 747 or something like that, if I said that right. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!